Hello and welcome at ESAB Digital Solutions. Today I will show you how to clean an old and dirty splash shield to make it look like brand new. The first thing to do is close the TPS shutter. This can be done by closing the gas, or close the shutter in the WeldQAS software. Then check that the positioning lasers have switched off. The spatter shield is delivered with two different screws. Select the correct tool to remove the screw in the spatter shield. Be careful not to lose the screw. Then mount a clean replacement spatter shield, or wait with the production until you have cleaned and installed your existing one. Next, open the spatter shield in a clean work area. Analyze the degree of contamination of the anti-spatter grille. The grille cannot be cleaned mechanically, therefore we recommend replacing it at each cleaning. Place the spatter shield in an ultrasonic bath with soapy water for a certain period. After the ultrasonic bath, the spatter shield should be dried well with compressed air. It can happen that the sealing washer loosens in the ultrasonic bath. In this case it should only be lightly pressed back into position. The spatter shield is assembled in the reverse order of disassembly. Please note that a clean anti-splash grille is used. The last step is to screw it back on the TPS. Before use, make sure that the compressed air is turned on again.